Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and the school domain ready. Start in the admin console. First, add your organization details and verify the domain. This proves ownership and enables email. Once done, create base OU structure for teachers and students so policies apply cleanly. Make sure to select the right settings for data retention and privacy. These affect how accounts behave from day one, and they prevent common permission issues later on. Next, configure core services. Enable Gmail, Drive, Classroom, and Meet for your organization units. That gives tools to teachers and students. Create user templates and enforce password complexity, plus two-step verification to protect accounts. Then, customize Drive sharing and classroom assignment permissions. This controls student work flow and privacy. Test every change with a small pilot group to confirm behavior. If something fails, roll back the policy and review logs to pinpoint the issue. Finally, deploy accounts and resources in phases while monitoring activity and error reports so you can react quickly. Train teachers on classroom workflows and share templates for assignments. That accelerates adoption and reduces help desk tickets. Once active, schedule backups and routine audits to keep settings tidy. If problems occur, like sync failures or missing drive files, first check Chrome profiles and directory sync status. Rerun sync and clear browser cache before escalating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.